Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2011 Chevy Silverado with electrical issues with the windows. It's not going down, it's not going up. Okay, so now we have the master window switch disassemble. All right, this is the principal problem on this truck. Look at this, guys. Just unit the 3M. This is the 800. Okay, so you need to clear and clean right here. All right, right here. This one. Okay, if you see, if you touch the color gold right there, this is the switch, okay, for the window to the left side, right side. This one is the right, the left, right, left, and right here you need to clear to the little piece gold right there, if you see. Okay, just clean it all with enough. If you have the electrical cleaner on spray, I recommend you guys that you put it just a little bit. All right, but this is the problem, guys. All right, so let me show you how can I assemble again. Let me see. Yeah, because I want to show you who works this kind of master window switch. Just let me assemble again. Just put the little screen in the downside, and this one at the up position. Yes, right there, and pulling down. Okay, so we're going to check if it's working or not. Okay, we're going to connect these connectors right here. Two connectors in the back. All right. So just we're going to check if it's working or not. If it's not working, just you need to replace the master window switch. Okay, but just check the master window switch if it's working or not to the left and the right side. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. Look at this. It's working too, and the other one, yeah, but the driver's side is not going down. Okay, so we're going to check what happened with the master window switch. All right, maybe it's my fault, because when I assemble again, I think it's my fault. Let me check what happened with this master window switch. So you need to pay attention when you put again the cover for this master window switch. Yes, guys, look at this. Just pay attention with this little plastic piece. Let me see if I can remove this one. Okay, yeah, right here. Okay, so we're going to assemble again. Okay guys, okay, now we're going to try again. Let me turn it off, and then we're going to connect again the connectors. Okay, now it's connected. Turn it on, the switch is turning on. No guys, it's not going down. What happened? I don't know, but it's not working. Okay, I can feel the window switch down, so probably the assemble on this master window switch is not correct. Okay, so let me disconnect again. I don't know what happened, but we're going to check again, because I'm pretty sure that the principal issue, the principal fail is inside to this master window switch. Okay, so what happened with this little guy? So let me see if it's broken or something like that. It's not going down. It's not going down. Yeah, now it's working, guys. Look at this. Let me see, turn it off. And we're going to connect again the master window switch. Okay, now it's connected. We're going to turn it on the switch. And look at this, guys. Now it's working. Okay, so just very careful. Pay attention when you assemble again the switch, because if you don't put in a correct position like me, so you have problems there. So just double check when you assemble again this kind of master window switch. Okay, so you don't need it to buy the other master window switch, because it's a little bit expensive, because you don't need to spend a lot of money with this kind of master window switch. Just go to check the inside to the master window switch. Maybe the switches is not touching in a correct position. All right, so just check it, guys. Thank you so much. Remember, this is the 2011 Chevy Silverado, so check your switches if it's working or not. Just repair the switches and do not replace the master window switch. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.